Today we are going to a journey.
Into the holiest place in the world.
Yes, city.
City,
You know, and
yeah.
everybody knows what is this.
Three of the religions in the world:
The monotheistic.
Judaism, the monotheistic, the Judaism, Christianity, and Muslims. And this is Jerusalem.
Yay! Woo! So we are the Yaman girls.
I'm the Yaman girl.
And she's the Yaman, and I am Yaman, only Yaman. The vlog about music and the connection with Jamaica and Israel and all the experience we have experienced in Jamaica and
Everything, like, come with us to our journey, you know, through
Yeah.
the music, soul, life, love.
like and subscribe, you know?
Now, so yesterday we went to the north with Coco Boy and we did a video with him. And there we went to the place where Jesus walked on the water.
Yes.
And it was really interesting, and this in the north of Israel. And then we understood, like, we knew that before, but the most religious places in the world for Christianity, they're here in Israel.
Yeah, in Israel.
And we understood that our followers, people who loves us, they really about religious
And believe in Jesus and in God and
Bible. So we decided to do like a tour, a day, to take you with us to Jerusalem, to the Western Wall, to
the holy places.
Jesus tomb, although it's a bit dangerous, so we need to check like how can we do that. So come with us.
Yes. Stay with us.
Hello. So
Hello.
we're in Jerusalem right now. We took with us the Jamaican,
Bodyguard.
Yeah, you really wanted to go to the Christianity area here. Like, you have quarters in Jerusalem. Bar, explain.
We have 4 quarters here in Jerusalem. One is the Jewish quarter, the Christianity quarter, the Muslim, and the Armenian. Did you know that?
No,
The
I
Armenian
didn't
one?
know that. Actually, I learned also now.
What happened to me? It's like we have 4 quarters, and I'm like, what is the
Yeah.
fourth? And now I remember. So this is the 4th quarter, and we are now going into the Christianity quarter in order to visit in the church of Sepulcher. You know,
Yeah, where
And-
Jesus is
consider
grave,
died, and they buried him there. And this is the 14th station in Via de la Rosa. Via de la Rosa, as I think that you know, is the way of torment, the path
Yes.
of torment that Jesus were until he died, actually. And we are going to visit there because it's really sacred for Christianity, and we want to show you the place. And
Also, we wanted to see that place actually.
yeah,
We haven't been there in a while, so we want to see.
right. And so now in Jerusalem, it's like all the religions are together. You have combinations of people here around there, so you can see a lot of people. You can show them, for example,
Yeah.
and they are.
You can see here the religious in the Judaism, Christian, Muslims, Arab. Everyone is just coming here. This is the holy land for, like, holy city for all the religious
Yeah, the
religions.
3 monotheistic religions, and now we are getting into the old city. This is the path to the old city, and
As you can see, we covered ourselves because here in Jerusalem, you cannot really, you have areas that it's really dangerous for you to not cover yourself, and also you want to respect the religious. So if you're going to the Western Wall, you have to be like, now we are with shorts, but they will bring us cover to our legs in order to not be really
exposed.
bare,
you know,
yeah,
and,
to the
we
holy
need
place.
to be modest.
Yeah, you have to be
And-
modest. As you can see, like religious, like big religious in Israel, Haredian, for example, they wear 2 layers on them, because this is like what they believe, that you have to be with 2 layers. You cannot just wear a shirt. So you can see, I don't know now they're far, but they have a hat and they have like a jacket and everything, because this is how it is here.
It's the main thing is why to do that. It's to be modest and not follow after your lusts. you
Yeah.
know? It's like to conquer yourself and your.
Yeah, maybe we'll make a conversation with someone who was there. We'll see how it will work, someone who is religious like that.
So you can see that you have this. This is the wall of Jerusalem. In the wall of Jerusalem, you have 8 gates. Okay, every gate back then, and it is on a job. Like when you needed to enter with goods to the city and bring food and bring supplies and stuff like that, you needed to go through the gates. The first gate was built 4,000 years ago, and every time that the city was conquered, the walls were falling down, and then the other empire that got into the city built another wall. And this wall that we see right now in those days, it was the Ottoman Empire built this wall. And you have the gates, and we are entering to the old city through Jaffa Gate. And Jaffa Gate, it's called Jaffa Gate because this was the way to Jaffa, the city Jaffa, by foot. Back then, this was the way to Jaffa, so it's called in the name of the way.
Thank you. This is the Christianity quarter. A lot of people here. Careful. Okay. So this is the Church of the Holy Sepulcher. Yeah. You can hear the sound of the what? Hello. Yeah. It's like a really religious place, as you can see. No? Thank you. So now we are going to the church. Yeah, those places can be a bit dangerous for us to go. We have some places in Israel that we as a Jewish we cannot really go, and it's in Jerusalem, like in Israel. But this is how it is. I guess every country has like that. Okay.
This is the Church of the Second.
Yeah. So cool. I have to say that Jerusalem is one of the most beautiful city I've ever been, regards to like the architecture. Yeah. Look, what's going on here? Hello. Yeah. What is this? This is a temple. Yeah.
It's considered the holiest site in the Christianity, and it has been most important place like for the Christianity since like I think the 4th century. We really wanted to go there to get into the Jesus tomb, and they told us that it's okay and we can go in, but then the guy like in the entrance told us we cannot.
Okay. I can go in, right?
No shots inside. I told you. No shots. Please.
Ah.
Okay, I have to say this place is huge. Huge. I think I've never been here. Maybe when I was younger. Huh? Maybe when I was really young. But weird because it was like beside us, you know, like 40 minutes drive from our house. Not so difficult. And like we saw how many people here, this is their religious place, you know, like we have the Western Wall that we're going a lot over the years, but they have this place and you feel like the only the underground smell.
If you want to be here, come here. You have to remember that you have to wear long pants and cover your shoulders. So make sure you come with these clothes because they don't give you here. for example, in the Western Wall, if you're coming with shorts, it's okay because in the entrance they will give you like something to cover yourself. But here they don't really bring. So if you want to get in, you have to wear something, modest. And by the way, it doesn't matter if you're a man or a woman. Like they're not accepting shorts at all. So it doesn't really matter.
Yom Tov. Thank you very much. So they didn't let us to take pictures in the tomb, really. But it's not really the tomb. It's not something Chanel said to take pictures. This costs $9. This costs $8.
It's with all the mistakes, it's $8 with ice, when the ice melts is like less pomegranate, less oranges. And,
I have to say to you, before you're buying something in Israel, ask the price. Don't be like, yeah, bring me. Ask the price. A lot of time, we are not tourists and still.
sometimes it happens, for the
Yes.
best,
Yes,
the
yes.
best families.
So you're saying it's not the tomb. You're saying it's not the tomb. The tomb is not here. It's like 14 minutes walk. This was the holy Sepulcher. So it's a bit different. The tomb is a bit in a not an area that we want to go right now, especially not in a war. So we decided to not really go there. Same price that me and Chanel we paid for both of them. She paid for one.
Wow.
Yeah, you need to ask. That's what I want to say. I'll tell you. Okay, so we're on our way to the Western Wall. Bar cover ourselves so well. You have like 2 entries to the Western Wall, or three entries, I think. Usually here you have like a really good security because it's religious place and you want to feel safe here. It's a problematic area. So you can see the security. Yeah. The path through. So this is like the Western Wall, and now we're going to get a cover for our shorts because you cannot get it in shorts or with no sleeves shirt. So we'll get cover in order to get. You can see like the guys area on the left or the girls area on the right. In the Judaism, girls and boys cannot be together really. It's, you're not touching before wedding and everything, so everything is behind. אפשר? גם היא צריכה. תודה. So this is it. So now she is going. תודה. This is the cover. Yeah, bar feel gorgeous today. רגע, קחי. I am hot. 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 יש פה פאק ביצור. Yeah, I'm hot, I'm sweaty, I'm going to die, but it's okay. Bye, Chen. So as I said, in the Judaism, boys and girls cannot really be together in a room if they are not married. They cannot be alone in a room, and all
They
our
should be with
someone.
or with open door and someone in the other room.
Yeah, because they're afraid that the inclination of like your sexual inclination will I learned this word, or the sexual inclination will control you, and then you know what will happen. So they just try to prevent
and you
it.
You don't touch before you're married. So
Yeah. So all our religious places, our holy places, we cannot really be together with men. So it's girls and men's, women and men's separated. As you can see, this is the Western Wall. I don't know if you saw that girl. She walked usually in the Judaism. I don't know if it's in the Judaism really, but it's our thing that we cannot really be with our back through the Western Wall. So while we are walking, for example, from the Western Wall back, we need to go backwards in order, to not really turn our back.
Yeah, and to give a respect.
Respect.
To and the wall wasn't the wall of the temple. It was like
Only the guard.
yeah, but two. It's
Of
the
the-
outside.
Yeah, exactly. Another thing that is a thing in the Western Wall is to put, as you can see, like a wish or something. You can see all the papers. A wish to put in the wall. And this is our religious place. So I saw someone on TikTok and he said that a woman searched for a man to be like really, how do you say it, like with goals, who wants to ambitious, with money, like strong, that he knows what he wants and to not be like loser. And if he is also beautiful or looks good, it's nice. Like this is like it's a bonus, yeah. And with the men, it's the opposite. First, they want her to look beautiful and to be with good energy and to smile and to give like warmth and whatever. And if she's also ambitious and wants to do like,
This is a bonus.
sometimes like regards to career or whatever, this is the bonus.
Don't you believe?
In a way, yeah.
I agreed.
This is olden thinking.
I don't think it's all
It's
there.
not that old.
It's. I feel like this stems from the. It stems from the old
But I think that's what happened here.
stereotype of women don't work. They take care of the house and all this, and the guy work. It's stemming from this.
No, but
because-
I'm not talking about like the fact. Okay, yeah, of course.
No, but think about it. If she doesn't work, right?
Yeah.
She doesn't work. Anything. She's just beautiful. No brain. What is she
No,
gonna do?
no,
Like, it's
no,
a-
no. We didn't say not
Yeah.
brain. We
Yeah.
said not ambitious. Like this is not our thing now to build a career or to be like
Yeah, it's not a brain.
strong and like regards to that. It's not about the brain.
It's like the first thing that men search for a woman in a woman is that package, like beauty with a bit energy.
And good energy, she will be in a nice.
I don't think you can generalize it, but I think from my perspective, at the end of the day, each guy wants a girl to compliment them. So it's looking at what you're bringing to the table or what your purpose is, and how can you with someone build. It's not about, okay, she looks good, because at the end of the day, if you go so shallow, when you with the person, okay, now you're with them, they don't really motivate you, they don't help you, they don't
of
contribute to your life, then it just fades away. So
But
I
we're
don't
talking
think
about
at the root
first
of it.
thing.
First thing is like I think everyone looks for beauty
Beauty?
and all.
I don't
Like
think
you
so.
need to be
Not
attractive.
Girls less.
Girls less.
Girls, that's what they say. But
Girls
all
no,
girls,
no,
but
it's not
girls
what they
less.
say.
no girls gonna look
Energy
at a guy
is
and
more than
What?
beauty. For girls,
beauty,
energy. If a
energy,
man knows what, if a man has confidence,
it's
a
more
lot of girls
feeling
will want him.
than the appearance.
Exactly.
This is
No, because I don't believe this to an extent, because what? Usually, to know a person's confidence and all this underneath, you need to get past the look.
No,
And if you're not-
no, you see how
Typically,
it,
okay, wait. Okay, now you see a guy. A guy on the street, he can have all the ambition, all the money, whatever, but you don't see it. You only see someone sitting. And let's say the same person just asks for, doesn't show his money, doesn't show.
Doesn't need to
Like,
show.
but that's what I'm saying. Like in the beginning, like you don't really.
But you feel
something needs
energy
to
of
draw
it.
energy.
you feel
How
energy
you
of
get
a
to the energy?
person.
Because you can see
You
that.
feel it.
So you see the
feel,
person and you get the energy.
Yeah, of
you
course.
feel if a man
Okay.
is in a loser mindset.
Yeah.
I'll do it like that because I'm exaggerating because I don't have vocabulary, but like a loser mindset or in like a strength mindset.
Yeah.
If a man is like strong and has I don't know what goals in his life and you can see that
look at
he's
this also in his body
Walk.
like how he walk, how he talks, what is the
Confident.
energy you bring to the talks, what is his
you
thought.
can feel
like,
it so strong the energy.
Yeah, but a lot of time, especially in this society now, today, it's like you can have this mentality, right? But you it's hard a lot of times to do this on your own. And to be honest, like a woman, like you, okay, so you said okay, you can see the person's mental, like their how they carry themselves, their confidence, everything, right? But when it comes to a partnership, you can see this, but at the end of the day, it's like you have to live with the day-to-day life,
But we are
right?
not talking about partnership. We are talking about the first sight, like what is
What they're
appealing, what is
searching.
the search in a first sight, not after the relationship. It's not there.
Yeah, but for me, but this is the beginning. Like this is not what shows a relationship over time. Like, okay, you can be attracted to someone, but you need to look now at what are the relationships that last.
Yeah,
Like,
of
what are the
course.
combinations that last?
Of course.
This is the thing we need
But
to.
we are talking about
So you're
the
speaking
first.
about just the on the surface.
Yeah.
and it's
Yeah,
not only-
but
it's
if
the
you're
first-
saying that, then you're saying about the.
It's the first thing that appealing. You can also after that understand with yourself. Maybe this not, but it's something in
In us, in the
I think,
society,
yeah,
or-
in the society or in human nature that women don't really look at the looks. She is, but it's not the first thing to.
It's not
to
like
look,
guys.
Look at and guys, it is.
Let's say it
But
like that.
I think it's not good to generalize like this
Okay.
because for me, it doesn't matter how beautiful a girl is. Like for me, if we can't have conversation and have
But it's not
something-
about the conversation.
So for me, no, but this
Of
is it.
course, but at
The-
first,
yeah,
when
you
you're
can look,
beautiful,
but the moment I realize this, you're an
But
ex.
we are talking about this. Like when you look, you are going into in the street. When I look at a man, I will search for not the appearance. It's not only like the appearance is the last thing. It's like how he is walking, how he's talking, even though the words, like how he behaves in the area, and you will look at the appearance.
Exactly.
I don't know if you are specific, but men look at the appearance of a girl. Like if I'm attractive to her, as an appearance. And this is the first thing, and then why? And then you are coming to this girl because this one appeals you, and then you are talking. And if she's dumb or whatever, you are going. But this the first, like when I am looking at men, the first thing to attract, it's how he behave, like how his energy in the environment when he's like the man, when he's like that, and he has confidence, and I can see he's walking, I can this guy.
So you're talking about only the first,
Yeah.
Yeah.
the first interaction.
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's it. My hands hurt too much. So we're in the market.
Yeah, we have a lot of energy. A lot of energy we have,
It was exhausting day, a lot of sun. It's 35 degrees here.
And
million
I'm dying
Fahrenheit.
here,
We are dying here. So hot. שוק המחנה יהודה. So what did you want to say about the market?
Nothing. That's it.
This is the market. You have good food here. You can get like a taste of a lot of spices, like different spices, Israeli spices. And it's a really nice market. If it's travel, you have good bars and restaurants around.
Mahne Yehuda
Mahne
market.
Yehuda
You
market.
can taste all the flavors that you even dream of, You don't even dream of those flavors.
And it's one of the most common markets in Israel and Jerusalem. It's like the
Show them the
big
halva.
market. Yeah, this is halva.
Halva, it's a dish. It's like a food that's made from sesame and honey.
Yeah, and it's
And
sweet and it's
together
so
it's
good. It's like a dessert.
It's like tahini with honey.
Yeah. We really
So
love sesame here in Israel, as
Yeah,
you
it's
can
really
see.
healthy also.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And that's
Look,
it,
look
you
at
know?
this. This is knafe,
Yeah, knafe, it's like Israel, Arab actually, Arab.
Yeah, it's from cheese and it's really tasty also. Like you have to come here and taste all the taste, flavor.
This is after you're going to the old city, all the holy things. You will come to here in order to feel a bit.
I don't know if you know this. This is the dry mango,
We really love to eat dry
Dry
fruits in Israel.
fruits, yeah.
So you have mango,
So
kiwi,
it's really common.
watermelon, natural. Hi! מה זה? תודה. They also love to give us a taste.
מה זה? מנגו?
מתוק!
תודה.
תודה. Very
Mango
sweet.
juice.
Very sweet.
It's not
It's what you needed, you know. You wanted something sweet. You wanna try? It's a
Mango.
mango juice.
but it doesn't seems like it's natural or something.
Also, this one is really natural. It's healthy.
Healthy, natural,
You should
good.
eat it, you know. Just eat.
It's good for your stomach, you know.
Yeah. And that was it, you know.
You know, we have a lot of energy, you know, I will say.
Chanel was part of the video a lot, Wagwan.
Yeah, again, Wagwan, Chenil. Yes, so we have a lot of noise here because it's a big city. And we will close the day. We had good time in the Jesus tomb.
We
you know?
just need to be in at the gold, how do you call it? Golden
Iron Dome.
Iron Dome.
Yeah.
And that's it. Like
Iron Dome?
I think.
Gold Dome.
Gold Dome?
Iron
Iron Dome
Dome.
is like the,
Yeah.
you know, Gold Dome. It's for the Muslims, like the most religious place to the Muslims. And that's it, you know.
I have
So-
to check it.
Dome of the Rock.
The Dome of the Rock.
We just
you know?
needed to go to Dome of the Rock, and that's it. Like we close all the
all the
monotheist-
triple
yeah.
monotheistic places, you know.
So we love you a lot. Thank you for coming with us to our day, and
Yeah.
like and subscribe.
Hope it was
Yeah,
interesting.
yeah.
Everything she said.
Yeah.
Yeah. Bye.